Hello YouTubers and uploaders, and welcome to another tutorial on Project Spark. Today I will be teaching you on how to display a button on top above an NPC's head. This is handy if you want to show the player which button is the interaction button without going into the brain. This is going to be a quick tutorial, but I will upload another tutorial really soon. First, you must code your character in this tutorial. I'm going to use a first-person camera for my character because it'll be more effective, and that you can see within a first-person view that the interaction button would work. So, as you can see, my character is coded the same as any other of my characters are, but as you can see, I've added this in. This is the interaction bit I've put so that when the B button is pressed, interact with the character and initiate and carry on with the code so that it can work effectively and work correctly. So as you can see now, we're gonna use this NPC because this is a quest. This is a good example for the RPG interaction side of it. As you can see, this code is very long. If you want to see my other video on how to make a quest, I'll put the annotation on the bottom right of the screen, but on upload obviously you can't see the annotation, so only on YouTube. So as you can see, the detect player, that was already there, that was originally there. There's no need to change that unless you want to change it to when you see the player, then obviously display. Obviously don't change that at all. The bit you need is 3 main tiles, and they are the display, B and above. You probably think that the B is a button prompt from the code, but you're wrong. It's in the gallery picker, which is strange because I wouldn't think it would be in the gallery picker, but obviously it is. So you must go into the objects and gallery picker. I will show you where it is. As you can tell, my Xbox starts slowing down and it starts stopping, so this is the big problem, so we have to wait for it. It's just loading all of the icons in the icon menu, which is, easy, and as you can tell, it's working again. Right, the B button is in the B category because they're all alphabetically ordered, so obviously you go to B, and then obviously now I found this, so click on it, and then it'll go into the brain where it'll know what to display. You could pick any one of these and then it'll display it above the head, but the big problem is that it's better if it makes sense to your character or anything. So obviously let's test it now, because we need to test it all the time to see if it's worked correctly in case it just malfunctions after a while. So as you can see, my character's in first person for a change. I know I'll walk up to this NPC. As you can see, the B is working correctly. I'll press B now to see if it'll carry on with the quest, so that I know it'll work correctly. Obviously the B button is displayed perfectly. Obviously it's not a button prompt. As you can see, it's now displayed everything it needs to, so that is perfect. Okay, that's all I have for today, but I will bounce back soon with another tutorial very soon.